way down the runway. The reigning Intercontinental Champion, the Macho Man, with Miss Elizabeth.
This contest is for the Intercontinental.
Ladies and gentlemen, this all started many months ago when Randy Savage brutally attacked the Dragon, crushing his larynx and nearly ending his career.
Yeah.
Thrown into the steel barricade with his flying axe handle and then used the ring bell to further damage the larynx from the top rope.
It certainly looked like Steamboat's career was over. No one expected him to return from such a gruesome injury.
Dragon rehabbed and focused on facing the Macho Man here at WrestleMania 3. This match is about more than just the Intercontinental Championship. It's about payback.
Drop kick again. The Dragon is picking his spots, trying to feel the Macho Man out to find out the Macho Man's weaknesses.
Well, good luck with that, Dragon. Macho Man has few, if any, weaknesses.
Every man has weaknesses, King.
Steamboat's weakness is his windpipe. After all that he's... to overcome, I'm surprised the Dragon can even breathe, let alone compete.
Let me tell you, folks, he's putting on a clinic.
Well, dragons don't normally fly.
Uh-oh. Macho Man has to be careful here. The Dragon has found his stride and is really bringing...
And a big reversal by the Macho Man.
Woo! Good night.
The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet.
And there's the head scissor. Look at the intensity as they lock up. Oh, my God. Oh, God, what impact. Watch out!
Look at this. Steamboat's got him all tied up now.
Give Savage credit where credit is due. A lesser man would have been put away a long time ago.
Oh, he's a great champion, JR. Oh, the Macho Man is vicious.
Very true, King.
Macho Man is going to the top. If he hits Dragon with the elbow, it's all over.
He nails Steamboat with a huge elbow.
1, 2, come on! Where's that referee? Macho Man just won this match, JR. Macho Man has defeated Ricky Steamboat, and there is no referee to make the count.
Destruction.
Oh, did you see the neck snap back?
Into a cradle.
There's a cover.
1, 2, 3. He's done it.
Here is your winner and new Intercontinental Champion, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.